Like Sachin Tendulkar has made for scoring runs, Virat Kohli has been made for scoring runs, Amitabh Bachchan has been made for good acting. So unless you find out something that people comes to you and tell you that this is the thing you have been made for, you find truly happiness, or you so truly find completeness when you do that. Till then, you should not stop yourself. Till then, you should not be stopped. And because when you are really into one thing, that becomes your habit and that becomes your image, then you're totally doing it, and slowly it becomes your identity, and people will come to you and tell you that you, wow man, what a good man, great man, you're so good at this, you have made for this. Like you listen to Arijit Singh, then he is so good at singing, so easily people can say that he is made for singing only. So find out the activity in which your body, mind and soul can connect. That activity is called purpose of life. So unless you are totally involved in something, particular thing, you are not going to be that special person. You're not going to be that special person. And when you become that special purpose for one special thing, then that will become your purpose. And based on your purpose, you're going to be paid. You are going to be standing out other than other people, which should be the main thing. Everywhere you can take it as example for like carpenter, painter, mechanic, all people are having their purposes based on smaller thing to bigger thing. So it depends on that what we want in our life, what our targets are, where you project yourself as. So the next thing is what our purpose should be. From our childhood, that people have made our mindset like that. What your padosis are having like that. If our padosis are having like that sort of car, that we also want that particular same car. Or if one of our friend from our childhood, for example, if we take our childhood from one of our friend, if suppose he get that particular sort of toy car or some sort of toys, then we also want the same thing. That has been our mindset, Indian mindset, that we want what other people are having, and based on that we define our success. If we are able to get the same particular thing our friend has, then we call ourselves as a successful person. But our success, we are not defining based on ourselves, our thinking, our opinion, our perception. What gives really ourselves happiness? So if you ask average person, they will define their success or their purpose or their dreams as that only. That if I have this much particular amount of saving in my bank account, then I'm going to be, that is my dream, and I'm going to be successful. If I'm going to be completing that particular this task, that I'm going to be successful. But what our true purpose should be. After finding out so many things, after failing in a lot of side hustles, you can say, lot of things I have tried on, that I have find out that the thing you can give your 24 hours a profession. It comes with a profession. You can call it as a profession also, like or okay, if there is one activity you can give your 24 hours in your mind, like you're sleeping or getting up, wherever you are, if that particular thing is running in your head, that means you are built for that activity. But the thing is, should we make that as our purpose for the whole life or not? See, there are some basic things for living a life. In that, for a happy life, there are some 3 to 4 things are there which everyone needs, like money, good health, family. These 3 things. So whatever activity you choose, if those by doing that activity, if you are able to fulfill these three portion of life, if you are able to complete these three aspect of life, like if you are able you are doing something your day to day life, and you are to stay happy, you are able to stay happy with your family, with your friends, everything, then okay, the one aspect has been fulfilled because of, while doing that activity. If you are able to earn that required amount of money, and whatever your life needs, then that activity is right for you. If you are able to stay healthy while doing that activity, then that activity is right for you. So you have to find out these three aspect of life is getting fulfilled or not. So find out this activity. Now you can say which activity we should do. I love making painting, but it makes me like staying away from our family. How can I do? Because what we love to do, what activity we want to do, it's not giving me money. Then how can I do? So there are for that purpose, that is the ultimate question of ourselves, that how we can find out that activity which fulfills all these three aspects. If you love music, then that doesn't mean you have to become a singer also. That doesn't mean you have to become a singer only. You can become a writer of songs also. You can become poet. There are a lot of things related to music you can do. So it's not always necessary that you do one particular activity, because the basic things, as I told, that money, family, and health, these three things should be your first and foremost prioritized, your priority. You should give the most priority of yourself to the hobby which fulfills all these three aspects. Because a person, it doesn't mean because a hobby doesn't mean that you have to have one sort of activity. A person can have multiple hobbies also, but the only thing is that you should give the priority to the hobby which fulfills these basic three things. Which you have to find out of how many hobbies, which hobby you can continue for the lifetime, and which will fulfill all these three aspects, like family, health, and money. And other hobbies you can keep as a side hustle, or unless you convert that hobby also for fulfilling all these three aspects. Then slowly you can come to your main hobbies. First you keep that, if suppose you have 5 hobbies, then out of those 5, the one hobby you keep the top of other 4, which should be fulfilling all these 3 things. And while doing that particular one thing, you can focus on other 4 also. And if your main hobby lies in those remaining 4 hobbies, then you have to slowly try to convert any one hobby out of that which you really love more than that, to try to convert that into that particular hobby which can give you the money and family and health also. And that should be your purpose, that should be your ultimate target, that to doing that particular thing for your lifetime. Because as I told, these three aspects are very important. So sometimes we are not able to do anything which comes under our hobby. That is the reason people are like do part-time jobs or low income jobs for getting all these things, so that they can take care of their health, families, and get some money, and as well as they try to focus on the other hobbies also. But what the wrong thing which the people do is that once we start getting all these 3 things fulfilled, we start forgetting that our main purpose of life, which we can give our 24 hours to. Because if your job is for 8 hours or something you're doing for some smaller time, and after doing that completely you're forgetting that thing, that means you're not made for that. You need to focus on some other activities. So summary to all these things is my main idea is to find that one particular activity which you can do with love and passion, and you can forget all other like messed up all other, you can forget all other messes out of the world, all other mess in the world. You only should be disturbed with these three things only: health, money, and family. If these three things are not getting fulfilled, then only you should try to switch to some other things. If anybody can able to disturb you from what you are doing right now, then that means you are not totally focused on that thing. If you are not focused on that thing, that means you are in the wrong thing. Unless you find the right thing, you should not stop exploring yourself. Explore yourself and find out the real purpose of your life by doing these practices. So, for this video, this was all from my side. Hope you guys have understood the idea of this conversation and the video. And if you guys have liked this video, then please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This was Akash Gupta and you were watching our talk show, and stay tuned for further this kind of motivating and inspirational videos.